Okay. Good day, everyone. I am Steve Rich Iliaga
I'm Genesis Alawon. We're here
to make a tutorial
tutorial of
video of intersection of
intersectional sets.
sets. So let's go. So find the intersection of sets. Now let's say if we have set A which contain the elements 2, 4, 5, 6, and 9. And we also have set B which contain the elements 2, 3, 5, and 6, 7, 9, and 10. So, what is the intersection of set A and B? How can we get the answer to find the intersection? We need to find out which elements are common to both sets. So, both sets contain 2, they contain 5, 6, and also a 9. So therefore, the intersection of sets A and B is 2, 3, actually not 3, but 2, 5, 6, and 9. And that's it. So that's how you could find the intersection of two sets. So now let's work on some more examples. You can pause the video and try this one if you want to. Let me use some different letters. So let's say this is a set a set C, and it contains the element 3, 4, 6, 7, 10, and 10. And also set D, which contain the elements 3, 6, 8, and 9. So feel free to pause the video. Determine the intersections of set C and D. Go ahead and try it. So which elements are common to both sets? So
We have
3 is common to both sets. 6, and that's it. Example, it's only 3 and 6. So that's the intersection of the two sets. So this is the answer. Let's try another example. Let's say set F contains the elements A, B, C, D, F, G, and G. And set G contains the elements A, C, G, H, and K. So, what is the intersection between sets F and G? So, feel free to take a minute and try. So, let's see which elements are shared between both sets. So, both sets contain element A, element C, G, and that's it. So the intersection of F and G is going to be A, C, and G. So as you can see, finding the intersections is pretty straightforward. But now what about this particular example? Let's say set G contains the elements 5, 7, 10, and 11. And set E has the element 2, 4, 8, and 13. What is the intersection of G and K? So now notice that there is no common element shared between the two sets. The elements in G are completely different from the elements in K. So in that case, the intersection of G and K is going to be empty. There's going to be nothing inside. So if there's nothing inside, if you have an empty set, you have a null set. So this is the answer. You have to use our Greek theory. Now let's say we have set R, which contains the number 3, 4, 7, and 10. And set S, which is basically an empty set. What is the intersection of R and S? The intersection of a set with numbers and an empty set is going to be another empty set or a null set. So that's it for this one. So
So
that's it
this
for
for
our
tutorial of
tutorial of
intersection
intersection
of sets.
sets. Thank you and God
Goodbye.
bless.